Tata Motors has launched the new Altroz iTurbo Premium hatchback in the Indian market. The new Tata Altroz iTurbo comes in three variants: XT, XZ and XZ Plus, and has a starting price of Rs 7.73 lakh ex-showroom India. Bookings for the new turbocharged petrol variants of the premium hatchback began a week back. Customers can book the Altroz iTurbo either online or via any of the brand's dealerships across India for a token amount of Rs 11,000. Deliveries for the new Tata Altroz iTurbo are expected to begin shortly. The Tata Altroz iTurbo remains identical to the standard model in terms of design and styling. It carries forward the same exterior features and equipment. This includes projector headlamps with LED DRLs and fog lamps positioned below, large stylish 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, LED taillights, roof-mounted spoiler with a stop light, among others. The only change on the new Tata Altroz iTurbo is the presence of the iTurbo badging on the boot lid and the new Harbour Blue paint scheme. Color palette on offer, which also include High Street Gold, Downtown Red, Midtown Grey and Avenue White. Moving to the interiors, the Tata Altroz iTurbo carries forward the same dashboard and cabin layout as the standard. However, the dashboard on the Altroz iTurbo now comes finished in a dual-tone black and a light grey color. There is also soft touch material all around, which along with the new leatherette seat upholstery give the hatchback a more premium feel. The new Tata Altroz iTurbo comes with the same 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, although it now comes with the connected features via the brand's Aira technology. The Aira allows the car to be connected to a smartphone via a dedicated app, providing additional location-based services, remote functions, and live vehicle diagnostics, among others. The infotainment system also features voice assistants capable of understanding over 70 commands in English, Hindi, and even English. The Altroz iTurbo also comes with Express Cool, which Tata Motors claims cools the cabin 70% faster than before. All other features and equipment have been carried over from the standard model. The most important change on the new Altroz is the addition of the 1.2-litre turbo petrol engine, which it borrows from the Nexon. However, Tata Motors have detuned the engine, which on the Altroz iTurbo produces 108 bhp and 140 Nm of peak torque, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard. The Altroz iTurbo also comes with two driving modes, City and Sport. Tata Motors claim that in the Sport mode, the Altroz iTurbo accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 11.9 seconds. The Tata Altroz iTurbo is also said to return fuel efficiency figures of 18.13 km per litre as per the MIDC cycle.